Hey everybody, welcome back to another walkthrough by MarineMax Danvers. My name is Adam Van Fleet and today we're going to walk through a 2021 Sea Ray SPX 210. Starting up here at the bow of the boat, you notice we got nice stone colored interior, full bow cushion setup, storage underneath everything here, as well as your Fusion audio speakers up front. As we move back towards the aft portion of the boat, you will notice here, you have your windshield that'll pop out, fold down right over here, and it's gonna latch. Put it back over, you have nice stainless steel hardware on this side, latches right in, it's gonna prevent it from wobbling around when you're underway. Back here on the port side, when we get up to the dash here of the cockpit, storage here, leather wrapped, it's gonna prevent glare coming into your eyes, and it does have a drain in there, so if you're putting, maybe you put your flip-flops in there, you put a wet bathing suit in there at the end of the day, drain it out the side of the boat. Over here at the helm, nice chrome accent trim around your tachometer, speedometer, fuel gauge, trim gauge, and this one's actually got a depth finder. All right, so you don't gotta worry about hitting any rocks or anything, worrying about shallow water. Right there, you'll know the answer. All your rocker switches. Peel this cover off here, will reveal your Fusion audio head unit. And then you have a cup holder here along the gunnel, as well as 12-volt outlet and USB outlets. Portside captain seat here with the flip-up bolster. Nice, easy to use there with the adjustable actions going on there as well. Cup holders, two more speakers right here at midship. Moving back here along the port side still, you have another seat, more cup holders. And when we get back here to the aft portion of the seating here, storage under here with a drain. This part I really like. It's actually a hinge seat with your cooler access. Little cooler here, throw all your drinks, maybe some cold cuts, everything with some ice right in there. Now, back here, all right, as we get to the sun pad, you have a couple different options of how you can do this. The first way, when you pull this up, you notice an immense amount of storage, right? A lot of customers that are using these boats are using these for water sports. You got room for tubes in here. If you got an inflatable paddle board, fenders and lines are gonna go on the starboard side. And then putting this back down, nice sun pad for hanging out. But this also flips right up here. So when you're hanging out on the back of the boat, you actually have a backrest here at the sandbar, hang out, enjoy the rest of your day. Nice and easy, we're gonna put this back down. Ski pylon is here. This big beast. We got a 200 Mercury here, stainless steel prop, good to go. If you look down throughout this boat, you'll notice you have all sea deck platform. That's gonna be great, easy maintenance, all snap in inside the cockpit there. Take it out, wash it, put it right back in. Everything back here from the port side entry to the swim platform is all glued down, so that's stationary. You're not gonna lose that in the water or anything. You also have storage in the stairs here. And one more compartment in the back. Throughout the center line of the boat, there is also a ski locker. You throw your anchor, your lines, fenders and buoys. Listen guys, another beautiful boat here. If you have any questions about this boat, any other boat in our inventory, I want you to give me a call. My name is Adam Van Fleet. You can reach me at 781-635-8684. We'll see you next time, thanks.